If your Instagram note prompt feature has disappeared or the option isn't showing, here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Sometimes logging out and logging back in can refresh features. Next, check the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Instagram often rolls out new features gradually, so if you don't see it immediately, it might not be available in your region yet. You can also go into your phone's settings, then tap on General followed by iPhone Storage. Here, search for Instagram and tap on it. Finally, tap on Upload app and reinstall it from the App Store. This helps refresh the app without losing your account data. Lastly, ensure your internet connection is stable. Some features may not load properly on a weak network. And that's all. That's how you can fix the Instagram note prompt feature if it's not showing. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.